Okay, so a few days ago we got some interesting news, right? Actually, I should put it this way: we got some interesting leaks, and these were about a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Lite being in the works. It would actually be nice to see a true replacement to this guy, Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Now, to start off, I want to talk about one of the biggest disappointments in terms of Android tablets this past year. It was actually the one that followed this guy. It wasn't even supposed to follow this guy, but anyway, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE was a major disappointment, not because the tablet itself is bad. It's actually an excellent tablet, great build, great performance for, the category that it's actually in. The price point of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE made it just such a disappointment to many of us who were waiting for a Galaxy Tab S7 Lite, which is the reason I'm personally getting excited about, the potential for a true replacement for Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So from what we know, there will be a Wi-Fi variant, and that's going to be under the internal name or the internal tag model name SM-X500, and there also will be an SM-506B, which is going to be the 5G variant, just like it is the case with the current Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So there will be a 5G variant, and in the US, by the way, it will be under model number, I believe, SM-X508U. So that's going to be the model number in the US internally, and beyond some of the limited information that we've gotten so far about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S8 Lite here. One of the biggest questions, right, is when is this going to be released? What is the release date on this tablet here? And as I'm asking this question, there's also one question that comes to mind. Why haven't you hit the subscribe button there? That was corny, but please do me a favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button there. I truly appreciate that. But anyway, so going back to the release date. So we are hearing that this thing is in the works. I do not anticipate that this guy is going to release at the same time as the Galaxy Tab S8 lineup that I've talked about so far, that's supposed to be released early next year. I'm seeing a Galaxy Tab S8 Lite being released sometime end of the summer, potentially, because there's no true consistency if you think about it, right? The Galaxy Tab S7 FE had that very weird release where it dropped in like some regions and then worked its way, to other regions. And then if you think about the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite itself, this dropped back in the spring, I believe, or 2020. So we don't really have enough, pattern to know exactly when this is going to be released. I personally anticipate it's going to release around August, maybe July, August, probably around the same time we get like the next folding phones, right? So if you were thinking about buying a tablet or you are in the market for a tablet, this is actually coming close to a very good time to pick up one, right? So just make sure you don't wait for the Galaxy Tab S8 Lite unless you don't really need, unless you really just want to wait. If you are looking for a mid-range tablet, there are plenty mid-range tablets out there that you can pick up. Even the Galaxy Tab S7 FE that I don't agree with, in terms of the price, obviously. If you can find that one at a good price, it is an excellent tablet. It's just priced wrong. Let me not go back to that. But anyway, so you can, and the reason I'm saying that this is coming close to a time where you can actually coming close to a good time to buy this tablet is because of the upcoming holidays, right? So you have Black Friday. At the end of the month, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to find some pretty good deals on either the Galaxy Tab S7, the S7 Plus, the current Tab S7 FE, all of those tablets, you will be able to find deals on those. And the good thing is you are going to get multiple chances to play around with different deals, right? So, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then the upcoming holiday, the end of the year holidays with Christmas and all that stuff. And you're going to have an added chance to pick up one at still good deal, good price at the beginning of the year when they drop the Galaxy Tab S8 lineup. So that's the reason I'm saying you should not wait. If you are looking for a tablet right now, just start, do your research and make sure you just pick up one within these next few months. And that's of course for people who are currently considering, tablets that are already out there. Now, if you're one of those people looking forward to the Galaxy Tab S8 or the S8 Plus or the S8 Ultra, obviously just go ahead and wait for drop. If you're looking for the next, top of the line flagship Android tablet, you're just going to go ahead and have to wait for it to drop at the beginning of the year. And in case you haven't watched my past videos, obviously we're going to have 3 tablets as opposed to 2 like we did last year with the Galaxy Tab S7 and the S7 Plus. This time around we have S8, as I already said, S8 Plus and an S8 Ultra. So the newest one, the newest model is going to be the S8 Ultra, which is the one that I'm looking forward to picking up. But either way, the overarching point of this video, at least in my view, is that it's good to see that Samsung is working on a true replacement, on the proper replacement to this tablet. The Fan Edition, Tab S7 Fan Edition, actually no one is being a fan of that. I certainly am not a fan of the price of that tablet. I just wish they had priced it right. It would have been one of the best sellers this year if they had done the same thing they did with this guy. This wasn't, you know, on top of the list when it came down to mid-range tablets. It was right in the middle, but it was kind of like the perfect blend of, you know, a variety of things that make up a mid-range tablet. I'm hoping that Samsung is going to be able to capture that with the Galaxy Tab S8 Lite, and that they've, you know, quite frankly, learned their lesson with the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. It did not sell as much as they anticipated. Again, that's the reason we see the price dropping. So if they've learned their lesson, then they're going to go ahead and drop a proper replacement to this guy here. What is your take on this? Are you looking forward to a Galaxy Tab S8 Lite? Do you not care? Did you give up after the Galaxy Tab S7 FE? I know many of you were upset about the name change and the price. You know, let me know what you think of this in the comment section. I'm going to catch you in that comment section. Make sure to like, of course, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure to share if you know anyone who will be interested in this. I'm going to catch you in that comment section. I'm also going to catch you in the next video, of course. And up until that next video, as always, stay safe out there.